Module 5, Lesson 16, and today we are counting within tens by ones, okay? So within a group of 10. So here I have some missing numbers, and I need to help my mouse get to the cheese. So in order to get to the cheese, he has to know what numbers are missing so he can travel along the path to get to the cheese. So I notice that, oops, my mouse is missing. There we go. I notice that my number starts at 40, and I see I have a 44, a 46, a 48. So I'm going to count up by ones. Okay, so after 40 comes 41, 42, 43. I already have my 44 there, so then I skip that one and go what comes after 44, but before 46. So 44, 45, 46, and then what comes after 46 and before 48 would be 47. So I finished my path, and the mouse can get the cheese. All right, so now I'm going to set a problem up for you, and I want you to write it down on your Whiteboard app, fill in the missing numbers, and send me a picture of the missing numbers with your path all filled out when you are done. Okay, so let me get it set up here. Okay, so I filled in 12, 14, and 16. So you really need to think about what number am I going to start with. So you would maybe need to count backwards from 12 and see what number would go in that first box. Or you can start at the first box and test out a number that you think and see if it works for you to get to 12 when you count two more. Okay, so fill out all of the missing numbers in the path and send me a picture when you're done.